Tired of the usual travel hassles, the endless queues, the crowded cabins, the schedules that never match yours? It's time to elevate your journey. Welcome to TenX Reserved Jets, where we believe your travel should be as exceptional as you are. We are the Sky Elites, dedicated to providing a seamless, luxurious, and completely customized private jet experience. Forget one size fit. At TenX Reserved Jets, we connect you with the perfect aircraft for your specific needs, whether it's a critical business trip or a spontaneous getaway. Our global network ensures that wherever you need to be, you get there with unparalleled comfort, privacy, and efficiency. Your time is your most valuable asset. Stop spending it waiting and start living it. Visit www.10xreservedjets.online to discover a new standard of travel. TenX Reserved Jets, your journey redefined. Don't forget to follow our channel for more exclusive content.